In this video, unbox natin tong power station from Yubao. Binili ko siya sa Shopee for around 5,000 plus. Pero kung naabangan nyo yung discount, magiging around 4,000 na lang siya. Let me walk through the specifications. Ito na yung pinaka-item itself. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki compared sa mga other power stations. Ang okay kasi dito, this is 52,800 milliamps. May hawakan siya dito. So okay din, pwede nyo sa dala-dala. This is model EN200W. The weight is about 2 kilos. Max output niya is 125 watts. So may dalawang USB-A dito. Meron ng AC plug dito. This one, USB-C. Pwedeng for charging and pwede rin as output. So ito yung ilaw niya. Kasama sa package would be the brick. Tsaka may cable tayo, Type-C to Type-C. We have right here is para sa laptop ko, yung pinaka-brick na sinaksak ko siya sa may AC. We have few items right here. First, charge lang natin yung sa USB, yung dalawang USB-A natin. This one, I have the Kindle right here. Okay, so no problem. It's charging naman. Wireless earbuds. Okay, so no problem naman. Nag-charge naman. Then lastly, we have the laptop. So technically, kaya naman siya sabay-sabay lahat. And yes, it charges. Walang problema sabay-sabay. So for the last device, kasi yung Type-C niya, pwedeng ang input and output. This is 4 devices all at the same time. Yun. So walang problema. So